Let's talk about a common crepe catastrophe: uneven cooking. We have all been there, with one side too dark and the other too pale. But worry not. Today we are leveling up our crepe game, exploring techniques to achieve that perfect golden brown consistency. Stick around as we explore two delightful methods, one with heavenly Nutella and the other a fantastic egg-free alternative. Gathering ingredients for both recipes. You will need all-purpose flour, milk, melted butter, and a pinch of salt. For the egg-free version, we will replace the egg with a simple hack that you won't even notice. In a mixing bowl, combine your flour and salt, then slowly whisk in the milk and melted butter. For our egg-free option, mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with a teaspoon of baking powder and add it to the mix. This replacement adds fluffiness without compromising taste, achieving the perfect consistency. The key here is achieving a smooth, lump-free consistency. Take your time whisking to ensure a silky batter. If it's too thick, add a bit more milk. Too thin, sprinkle in a touch more flour. Cooking Nutella crepes. Now let's fire up the pan. Pour a ladle of batter onto a hot, lightly greased skillet. Swirl it around for an even spread. When the edges start to lightly brown, flip it over. Spread Nutella generously, fold, and there you have it. Cooking egg-free option. For our egg-free version, the process is identical. Pour the batter onto the pan, swirl, flip when ready. The only difference, no eggs are involved. This option is not only friendly for those with allergies but equally delicious, serving and enjoying. Once your crepes are ready, get creative with toppings, fresh fruits, whipped cream, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. The possibilities are endless. There you have it, our two foolproof methods for making perfect crepes. These recipes are sure to impress. Head over to blogginggoodfood.com for a printable version of these recipes and more tips to elevate your culinary skills.